When you're faced with criminal charges, the whole world can seem like it's crumbling around you. In those moments, uncertainty and fear can spur dozens of questions on our minds. Will I lose my kids? Will I lose my job? Am I going to have a felony on my record for the rest of my life? In addition, the criminal justice system can seem like a terrifying, unstoppable force that will inevitably end up in you losing your property and your freedom, either through a debatably fair trial or through a reluctantly executed plea bargain. However, oftentimes there is another option available to people charged with crimes they may not have heard of or thought about. It's called a diversion. Diversions are programs where the accused person makes an agreement, an actual contract with the government to stay out of trouble, report in periodically, perform community service, and depending on the case, participate in certain classes or programs, among other miscellaneous requirements. Diversions typically last 12 months, but can be longer depending on the individual circumstances of the case. In exchange, at the end of the diversionary period, if you're successful, the prosecutor can actually dismiss the charges against you without any convictions. However, as part of that agreement, the state will only agree to it if you admit to the crime charge. That's a big deal because if you fail in diversion, such as if you picked up new criminal charges, for example, if your diversion is revoked, you'll be convicted of what you admitted to. No jury, no trial, just straight to conviction. In addition, diversions are quite expensive, not to mention restitution or court fees and costs. So while there's some risk and costs associated with diversion, the benefits can frequently outweigh the costs. If you or someone you know has been charged with a crime and would like to discuss our options with an attorney, call us today.